In the previous video, we have learnt about auxiliary verbs. Am I right? Do you remember what is the meaning of auxiliary? Yes, auxiliary stands for helping. Am I right? Auxiliary stands for helping. Then, which kind of verb it is? Which kind of verb it is? Yes, it is a helping verbs. Okay. So, in 3rd or 4th standard, you have already learnt about helping verbs, right? So, helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs only. So, in the previous video, we have learnt about what are auxiliary verb and how many forms of auxiliary verbs. So, there are many forms of auxiliary verbs, but we have learnt about 3 forms of auxiliary verbs. What are they? Yes, that is be forms, have forms and do forms. I repeat, be forms, have forms and do forms. So these are the 3 forms we have learned before. Let me give you the short recap again. So what are be form verbs? So be form verbs are am, is, are, was, were. I repeat, am, is, are, was, were. These are the be form verbs. Okay. Here am, is, are the present verb. I can write here present, and this was, where are the past. Okay. So am, is, are the present time verb which is used to talk about the situation which is related to the present time only. Okay. The action which is happening now, it is the present time. Okay. So what is present time? The action which we are doing now, that refer to the present time. Okay. So here the verbs am, is, are stand for the present time verb. Okay. And was, where stand for the past time verb which is used to talk about the action which has already completed. Okay. Which has already completed. Next, have forms. What is the second form? Have form. Okay. Have form verbs are has, have, had. I repeat, has, have, had. Okay. Here has and have are the present time verb. Has and have are the present time verb and had is the past time verb. Okay, I repeat again, has and have are the present time verb which is used to talk about the present situation. Okay, so current time when we are talking about the action which is happening now, that refers to the present. For have forms, has and have are the present time and had is the past time verb. Okay, so if you find out had in a sentence means it's talk about the past time only. If you find out any word like has or have in a sentence, then it means what? It is happening now, that's referred to the present time only. Okay, now let's learn about the do form. Okay, what are the do forms verb? Okay, so here do, does, did, these 3 verbs are the do forms verb. I repeat, do, does, did, these 3 things are the 3 verbs are the do form verbs, in which do and does are the present time and did is the past time verb. Do and does are the present time verb and did is the past time verb. Okay, so it is in your book, page number 55. Here now we know about the verbs. Am I right? Now we know about the helping verbs. Okay, so now we are going to underline the helping verbs, the auxiliary verbs in a sentence. Okay, we are going to find out the auxiliary verbs in a sentence. Okay, so there are 6 sentences I have written on the board. I have written 6 questions on the board in which you are going to find these auxiliary verbs from the sentences. Okay, will you find? Yes. So here I have written the clue also. Am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, then do, does, did. These are the auxiliary verbs. If you find any one of these words in a sentence, that there you need to put underline. Okay, clear? So what we need to do now? We need to find out the auxiliary verbs in the sentence and we need to underline the auxiliary verb. Okay, let's start doing the exercise. Okay, underline the auxiliary verbs in these sentences. In the following 6 sentences, you have to underline the auxiliary verbs. Okay, so first sentence, that is first question, I was waiting for my friend. I was waiting for my friend. Can you find any auxiliary verb here? Yes, any one of this auxiliary verb? I was waiting for my friend. Yes, here we can find was. Yes, so after the subject there will be a auxiliary verb only. Okay, after the subject or before the main verb. What are main verb, children? Do you remember? Yes, main verb are the action word. So waiting is an action word only. So before the waiting there will be an auxiliary verb only. So it will be easy for us. So now was, I am going to underline was. Was is an auxiliary verb. See, was refers to the be form. Be form of verbs refer to the be form verbs only. Okay. So that's all. It is very easy. Isn't it very easy, children? Just directly you are going to underline the auxiliary verb only. If you remember this, then this exercise will be easy for you. Okay, let's do the second one. My friend has arrived. My friend has arrived. Can you tell me the auxiliary verb here? Is my friend is an auxiliary verb? No, that is a subject. Is has is an auxiliary verb? Any has word? Yes, has is an auxiliary verb. I am going to underline it. Okay. Has is an auxiliary verb. My friend has arrived. It means what? என் friend வந்து வந்துட்டாங்க. ஓகேவா? என் friend வந்துட்டாங்க. And what about the first sentence? I was waiting for my friend. நான் என் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்காக காத்துட்டு இருந்தேன். ஓகேவா? என் friend வர வரைக்கும் நான் வந்து காத்துட்டு இருந்தேன். Okay? So next we'll read out the third question. That is, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? It means what? Can you tell me? Can you translate in Tamil? What are you doing there? What are you doing means என்ன பண்றது? There means அங்க. So அங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? Okay. So here can you find any auxiliary verb? So here what, after the what there will be a word that is are. Okay. So are is an auxiliary verb. Am I right? Where, in which form we can find are? In do form can you find are? No. Have form? Are? No. Be form? Yes, here it is are. So are is an auxiliary verb. So I have underlined it. Clear, children? Let's do fourth one. Okay. We were playing badminton. We were playing badminton. So here it means what? நாங்க வந்து பேட்மிண்டன் வந்து விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தோம். ஓகே, நாங்க வந்து பேட்மிண்டன் விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தோம். ஓகேவா? So here where represent the past time only. So here where is an auxiliary verb. Am I right? Is where an auxiliary verb? Can you find out here? Can you find where in this form? No. In which form we can find where? Yes, in be form verb we can find where. See, in the past form we can see where. W-E-R-E, where. That is here only. So I am going to underline where. Clear, children? Okay, let's do fifth one. Who has planted these trees? Who has planted these trees? யார் வந்து இந்த tree எல்லாம் plant பண்ணாங்க, நட்டாங்க? Okay, this is the Tamil meaning for this sentence. Okay, so now can you find the auxiliary verb here? Is who an auxiliary verb? No. Has? Yes. See, after the subject or in a word, the second word will be an auxiliary verb only, or else before the main verb. See, planted means plant. It is a main verb. So before the main verb there will be an auxiliary verb. So where can I find this word has? In which form? In which form I can find a has? In do form? Can you see any has? No. Be form? Has? No. In have form? Yes. In have form we can find the auxiliary verb that is has. Am I right? So I am going to underline has. Okay, so we have come to the last question, children. Do you like to paint? Do you like to paint? Can you find the auxiliary verb here? Any auxiliary verb? Here, you like to paint? No. Only do. Do is an auxiliary verb. See, do form. Do will be an auxiliary verb only. But it comes in a first. Why? Because it is this auxiliary verb can also ask the question. We have already learned that auxiliary verbs also help us to make question, also to form the negative sentence. Here this auxiliary verb is asking, framing a question. See, do you like to paint? So whenever the auxiliary verb makes a frame a question, it will come first in a sentence. So do you like to do you like to paint? Here do is an auxiliary verb and it is asking the question, so that's why it comes first in a sentence only. Okay, do you like to paint means what? உனக்கு paint பண்ண பிடிக்குமா? This is the question. Okay, So I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. So what we have done in this video? Yes, we have find out the auxiliary verb in a sentence and then we have underlined it. Am I right? So what are the auxiliary verb we have find here? Was, has, are, were, has, do. So here, can you tell me this word, the auxiliary verb was, represent the present form or past form? Was will be a present time verb or past time verb? Yes, was is a past time verb. So here we can see, I was waiting for my friend means what? Na a friend kaga kaatittu irundhen, not now. Before I was waiting for my friend, not now. So it talks about the past time only. My friend has arrived. Can you tell me this word has talks about the present time or past time? Present time has. Yes, has is a present time verb. So see, my friend has arrived means your friend வந்துட்டு இருக்கான். Okay, வந்துட்டான். Okay, so that's about the action happening here. Your friend வந்துட்டான் பாரு. So this is the Tamil meaning for this word only. Okay, this sentence. Sorry. So let's learn about the third one. What are you doing? Here the auxiliary verb are is a present time or past time? Yes, it is a present time verb. So are, it's talk about the present time, the action happening now only. What are you doing there means நீ அங்க என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? Okay, so here it's talk about the present time only, what is happening now. Okay, now next, we were playing badminton. We were playing badminton. So here the auxiliary verb is where. We can check where and it is a past time verb. So it talk about the action which has already completed. Now I am going to translate it. We were playing badminton means நாங்க வந்து badminton play பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம், but இப்போ இல்ல, but not now. Okay, fifth one, who has planted these trees? Who has planted these trees? It means what? Yes, யார் இந்த tree வந்து நட்டாங்க? Here has means what? It talks about the present time. யார் இந்த tree வந்து நட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க, நட்டாங்க. Okay, do you like to paint? Here do will be the present time, so it's talk about the present time only. Do you like to paint? உனக்கு paint படிக்க பிடிக்குமா? Yes or no, whatever the answer is, but it's talk about the present time only. Are you clear with this, children? Yes, so what are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. It is also used to talk about the time of an action, like in present or past. And we have learnt about the three forms of auxiliary verb. They are be form, have form and do forms verb. Okay, be form, have form and do form. And then we have learned what are the verbs related to the which forms. Okay, and we have find out the auxiliary verb in a sentence also. Okay, I hope you are clear with this exercise. And in the next video we will be learning about the three forms. That is one form. We are one by one we are going to learn only. First we are going to learn about the be form, where to use this be forms, that is am, is, or, was, were in a sentence. Okay, so I'll see you in the next